seal out here on this boat. Anyway, here's what we got. This is one of the things we're fixing. This little wire thing goes inside there. Yeah, my boot blew, and we got it out of there. We got to put the new boot in. I actually got a new boot. That's right there, shows you how well it was installed to start with. Kind of tricky. Anyway, it is a tight fit. There are a couple of little things I can help you with here. Hopefully you can see that hole. There's two of them there. I was just guessing as to where the boot was when I showed it, fixing to rip out there. There. It's actually gear oil contaminated. So anyway, the trick is this little hole here. This little hole right here allows you to get that screwdriver in there, right there, and tighten up your clamp. So anyway, I'm going to go get my other boot. I'm going to reinstall it. So the first thing you want to do is put your hose clamp back up in there, because you got to get that boot in there. So anyway, apparently I'm leaking a little bit on these seals right here, but that ain't no big deal. If this don't leak, you don't have to worry about that leaking. It might have been leaking a little bit right in here. When the water got in the tube, it fills the tube up. The whole drive shaft right there is all sitting in water, and it will leak past these rubber seals. You see there's rubber seals on that one. That's the one that come out of it. This is a different one. It's out of a different boat. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to check my engine alignment. We'll see if I can get that to go in there. And guess what? She ain't going in. Yeah, it did, right there. That ain't too bad. Yeah, it's out. That's in. So our alignment ain't off too much. I can slide that in pretty easy. Cool. So I don't have to worry about my alignment, because that goes in pretty easy. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I'm gonna get my boot on, get ready, and I gotta order the parts. I gotta order a front seal for that dry shaft because it's leaking gear oil. We'll get this boat going. So I got one gasket, one seal to order. I've got the boot kit. Anyway, God bless from Blanchard, USA. Sweet pea. Sweet pea. It's the sweet pea.